Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program for your vehicle. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Also, locate your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard. This preparation ensures a smooth programming experience. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are closed. Turn your ignition key to the off position. Now, hold down the door lock button on the driver's side door panel. While holding it, insert your ignition key into the ignition cylinder and then remove it 2 times. This sequence prepares your vehicle for programming. After the previous step, the door lock should cycle, indicating you are in programming mode. Now, take the first key fob you want to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Continue holding them until the door locks cycle again. Repeat this exact process for any additional key fobs you have. To exit programming mode, simply turn your ignition key to the on position. The door locks should cycle one final time, confirming you've exited the programming sequence. Now, test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they function correctly with your vehicle. Make sure all buttons like lock, unlock, and panic work as expected. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.